What's up, guys? I have another unboxing video today, and as you can see, it's not car parts, it's a gun. So I just picked this up. This is a LWRC IC Other, and it is a piston driven. As you can see here, it comes with your SBA brace. Here, you can, through the packaging, you can see it says Other, and it has the vertical foregrip. Comes with a 10-round magazine. I believe this is the accessories kit, so you can put a sling on there because there are attachment points in the rear but not in the front. Also comes with operator's manual and a range flag right there. So here's the gun out of the bag. This is a 12.7 inch LWRC IC Other. So from the back, you have your SBA brace with your push swivel mounting point for a sling, another push swivel mounting point. You have your forward assist right here. And for all of you that are wondering, the firearm is completely clear, magazine is empty, nothing in the chamber. This is a really nice shiny bolt, still a little bit lubed, so I'm probably gonna take this apart and clean it before I shoot it. One thing I really like about the LWRC is that all these fire controls here are actually ambidextrous. So here is your safety selector switch, your bolt catch and your bolt release, and your magazine release. Same thing on this side. You have your safety selector switch, magazine release paddle right here, and your bolt catch in the traditional spots. So from the factory, it has this LWRC, I guess, extended trigger guard. This is also an LWRC, their own hand guard, and it looks from here like there's a storage solution. Maybe you gotta squeeze it. Oh, there it is. So it looks like you can put some batteries or something in there. And this is also textured and rubberized, whereas this is plastic, the shiny stuff right here. Moving forward, you have their LWRC proprietary hand guard, so you actually have to get little plates that you mount in here that you can actually, maybe it's not in here, but like as you see here on this foregrip, there's a piece of Picatinny rail, so you just mount it here, and I'm pretty sure they have a few different selections. Right here, you see they have the piston system, which we can take a look at later, and then you have your front sight post. And all the way at the end, you have your typical A2 birdcage flash hider. So you guys see here, this is the rail specific for LWRC. So in the front, you have 1 and 2 little, I guess, flathead screws. And from the factory, they're not too tight, so you can hand loosen them as such. This is on one side, then this is for the other side. And now that that's all the way maxed out, you can actually remove your rail as such. So you just pull forward and lift up, exposing the piston system right there. This is a short stroke gas piston system. It's, I guess you could compare it to the style of like an HK416 or like an AK. So how this differs from your traditional direct impingement gas system, which a majority of AR-15s are. So you have this piece right here, don't know what this is called, but basically the gases that push the bullet out of the barrel, some of it is cycled into this op rod here, and this operation rod pushes back, as you can see some of that movement, pushes back into the bolt carrier group here to cycle the firearm. Most direct impingement gas system, you have a gas block up here and a tube that feeds into the bolt carrier group to cycle out the weapon. This makes it a little more cleaner, but this also has a little more felt recoil. But I decided to go with something a little different than your typical direct impingement gas system. For one, it runs a little bit cleaner as well. And just from personal experience, it's a little bit more reliable. So with the gun comes with these standard iron sights that are pretty normal. Here you see you have a really small peephole. There's 4 different sizes, and this you have a really large one, and you can actually see the front sight post in there a little bit. It's not focusing, but there it is. So in the next video, I am going to actually remove the rail system here, and I would like to shoot a few rounds in slow-mo so you guys can see how the operation works. I think it's really interesting and it's unique that you can see everything function. But other than that, guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Talk to you guys soon.